Hi there! Today we're recreating the Sproing Emote from Lego Fortnite. We're also sharing the parts list. Let's begin! And there we have it. But before we continue with the showcase, I want to note a few things. You want to ensure that you order a new hose piece. If you order used, it won't have the springy play function as you can see on screen now. Additionally, a worn-out piece may not be able to support the weight of this build. Second thing to note is, I highly recommend you mount your minifigure onto the handlebars prior to sitting them on the llama, as it's way easier to position them beforehand. Let's do a quick showcase, and we'll talk ordering afterwards. As usual, I'm sharing the parts list through Bricklink. The only thing not included is the stand. That way you can display your llama wherever you feel is best. You can order your own parts in just a few minutes. See the description where you'll also find a video explaining how to use Bricklink if it's your first time. If you'd like to support our small channel, please consider using code MikeCat in the item shop and subscribing for much more. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.